If you have ever heard anything about Enugu before, it's probably the Saturday activities around Okpara Square. We woke the kids up very early to go and join the exercise. To warm up, we walked around the square, but later on decided to join the crowd and the Ogene players to do their exercise. The party was on. See these people, they didn't come here to play. They are very serious about it. Chijoke and Ziora didn't really know where to look at. Everywhere. Crowd. Initially, we thought that they are just making rounds around the park. However, we learned that they are very well organized and going up the roads in Enugu much further than we expected. Following the beatings of the Ogene. The music will just want to make you move your body. I had so much fun. Stay tuned to find out if we finish the run with them.